Greetings all my Rumour subscribers. Today I will be doing a festival inspired makeup look even though I've never been to a festival. I actually have a spirit themed online dance class, so that is what we're doing. We're doing a festival makeup look. I don't know what I'm really doing. I'll insert some photos of what I'm inspired by, but basically I'll list all the products in the description box. But to prime my face I use the Tatcha Silk Canvas. Amazing. But yeah, let's just go straight into it. I'm also a little bit rushed for time, but we'll see how this goes because I want to film it. So I'm just using the GimMe Brow from Benefit, shade 3. I've literally gone through like 4 of these. They're so good, especially because I'm not the best at doing eyebrows and I've got light colored eyebrows. It's really hard and so easy to make a mistake. So this is really good if you've got light eyebrows and don't know what to do with them. I also can't remember the last time I got my eyebrows waxed. It has been forever. I think it was like December. So they're a bit like crazy, like I pluck them, but they're just a bit fluffy and wild. I also haven't worn makeup in a dance class for so long. I actually never do that. I'm just saying, like, I never dance with makeup unless it's a comp, and that has been a very long time because of coronavirus. So now I'm just using some Tarte Shape Tape to conceal and shape my eyebrows. This eyebrow hair is literally like flying off my face. Don't you hate that when like your eyebrow just like won't sit flat and it's just like boofed off your face? Maybe that's just me. Excuse me. I love how I'm gonna put like an hour's work of effort into this and I'm only wearing it for like 35 minutes. I'm just using some P.Louise eyeshadow primer base. Pretty sure it's in the shade 1, literally the lightest one there is. No jokes, it's the shade Rumour 2. Alrighty, so I look a little bit crazy right now, but basically I was thinking of doing like a bit of a sunset type of crease action and then a cut crease with like ombre blue. That sounds so much better than what it's gonna look like, so oops. But I have the James Charles palette and the Maddie by Morphe, Maddie x Morphe palette. So it should be easy with colors to do this, but it's really just talent that's gonna pull this together and I don't think I have that. So I'm gonna start off with the shade B, which is yellow, on a M441 brush, Morphe. This is the James Charles palette as well. And I'm just gonna put this in like my inner corner and just kind of see how it goes. I'm also scared to put too much on in case I stuff up, which is highly likely. That's okay because no one's gonna see this in person. So like it really doesn't have to be that good. But like it's going on YouTube, so I should probably try and make it look good. Also a hot topic that everyone is just like talking about is all the different types of like TikTok feeds that you're on. Like apparently there's straight TikTok, then there's like I don't even know, honestly. I couldn't tell you what type of TikTok feeds there are because my For You page is literally just Beyond the Valley videos. I'm really jealous because I wish I went to festivals like that. Maybe one day. They look like so much fun, but honestly those videos, they're bringing back memories that I have never experienced. It just looks so fun. Now I'm moving into the orange shade called 518 from James's palette with another M441 brush. And this is just gonna go like the middle of my crease. Whoa. I wish I had a really big eyelid space to do nice looks on, but I have hooded eyes and it just makes everything so hard, honestly. I don't think we're going too bad at the moment. Let's go into the pink. I'm gonna go into the shade Skip with a M443 brush. This is so bright. Oh, wow. Wow. Oh my god. This is gonna stain my eyelid for like the next 2 days. Not even exaggerating, that stained my eyelid for 2 days. Like, no joke. This is like clown makeup. This isn't even festival makeup. Now I'm just gonna fix it up and blend it a little bit more. Alrighty, so now that my crease is done, I'm going to do a cut crease with my Tarte Shape Tape again. Now I usually use a Zoeva 226 smudger brush to do my crease, but it's actually really hard, so I think I might try a new one tonight. Maybe I'll use the Morphe M124. That might be a little bit easier to do it. We'll see. We'll find out. I have used that for like 4 years for a cut crease and I don't know why. Like it's so hard. But anyway. Also not gonna lie, I never know when to like stop the crease. I kind of just like do it. I'm gonna quickly do the other eye as well. Okay, I'm just gonna set my crease with some translucent powder. I'm using the Too Faced Peach one. The exact name of it will be in the description in case you're wondering. So on the inner portion of my crease, I'm gonna go in with the Maddie x Morphe palette. I'm gonna go in the shade 5, which is literally the brightest blue color I've ever seen in my life. Like, look at that. Anyway. Oh my god. That was literally my reaction in my like review video that I did. I had the exact same reaction. It's just so bright. Alright, moving on to the other eye. When I imagined this in my head, I didn't really think of it looking like this, but that's totally fine. And I probably wouldn't wear this to a festival either, but no one needs to know that. Alright, now I'm gonna go into the James Charles palette again and go in with the shade Brother. And it's just a darker blue shade, and I'm going to put that in the outer crease. This is not a good brush. I'm using the M116 and don't use it for this outer corner action. Would not recommend. Not using that. I need a flat brush. I need a bad bleed, Addison Rae, little shawty about it. Oh my god, this brush is so bad. Oh, that's alright. We can fix that. No, we can't. Oh my god. No one's gonna see it with eyelashes on. It's fine. Bro, why can't I do an outer corner? Like impossible. That looks like a 4-year-old did it. I'm gonna go in with the shade Escape, which is a dark purple, and I'm gonna use a Zoeva 228 crease brush just for the outer corner, just so I can like blend in the colors a little bit better. So at the moment, she ain't looking too good, you know? Oh my god, this looks so bad. Why are these brushes so... Ugh. Oh, what have I done? It was looking okay, I thought. This is the beauty of makeup. You just stuff up and put more on and hope it looks a little bit better, which it doesn't, but that's fine. You know what? This is gonna have to do. So the reason I wanted to do a blue eyelid was because I got this blue glitter from my mum. Don't ask me why she had blue glitter. No jokes. She's a dance teacher who loves glitter and makeup, so we always go like crazy for comps. So I'm actually gonna use the Too Faced Glitter Pop Peel Off Eyeliner. What? I don't know. But I'm gonna line my cut crease with this. So wish me luck. I've never used this before, so I don't know if it's gonna like go on bad or good, but we will see. Oh god, I don't know how to do this. That is really pretty. That looks so cool. Oh, this is good. I don't know if this comes in any other like natural colors, but it's really good. Not gonna lie. When do I ever lie? I don't. I'm honest, especially with you guys. That looks so cool. Okay, wow. I'm gonna stop with the liner there before I ruin it. I reckon that looks really, really cool. I think it disguises my bad blending abilities on the side. I'm just gonna use a makeup remover to get rid of this part of it. And then I'll put some liner on and some lashes and then move on to my face, which is kind of boring. I'm actually kind of proud. This kind of looks okay. Besides this, just leave it. Leave it. Alright, I'm gonna pop on some liner. I'm just gonna use the Better Than Sex Easy Glide Waterproof Eyeliner. My eyelashes are genuinely blue. Oh, no! I knew I was gonna stuff it up. Okay, I'm just gonna slightly curl my lashes, put some mascara on, and then put some big lashes on to cover all this. Also, you know what I'm really liking at the moment? That so many young people, especially my age, are just stepping out of their comfort zone and just doing stuff that they want. For example, starting Instagram businesses or starting YouTube channels. Like, I love it. Now is such a perfect time to do it, and like, go you for just doing it. Who cares what people say? We're not in high school anymore. No joke. High school just like holds you back so much. There was no way I would ever start a YouTube channel in high school. I think I'd rather cry. I always do that. What do I mean? Alright, so for eyelashes, I'm just using some leftover ones that I used for like my formal or valedictory. I don't even know. I used the duo glue and I think I've gone through 3 of these because the cap literally just like comes off. Like I squeeze it and it just breaks. And I'm pretty sure the glue in this is all dry. There is also leftover eyeshadow on this eyelash. Don't mind that. Okay, I need to move on because my class is about to start soon and sis hasn't even done her face. We need to cover up those pimples. My eyelashes are wrong. Okay, time to fly through this. I'm gonna take off underneath, put some, you know what, I'm not even gonna say it, I'm just gonna do it. Alrighty, let's get this show on the road. I just ran out of storage on my phone, but basically I'm just putting on foundation on a Morphe M439 brush. Literally the most amazing foundation brush if you need one. Also using the NARS Radiant Longwear foundation. Also amazing as well. NARS is incredible, just gotta say. Jesus Christ. My watch is telling me to breathe, but I don't have time to breathe because I start dance soon. Going in with concealer, you know the drill, under the eyes. I'm just popping on some powder. This is from Too Faced, but they actually don't sell it anymore, so no point even telling you. I'm literally rushing so much. I'm so sorry. I'm now putting on some bronzer. This is the Becca Capri Coast bronzer. My neck does not even match. I literally don't have any time to even care. I would contour my nose, but I don't have time, so we're not doing that today. I'm just using the Benefit Foolproof brow powder just to tidy up my brows and darken them because they have a little bit of foundation in them. Oh my god, I genuinely don't have any more time. Okay, I'm just gonna pop on some mascara. For lipstick, I'm putting on the shade Jessie.
Hey Jessie!
I don't even know what brand this is. I think it's Becca. Just a little bit on my lips, and then the Anastasia Freya lip gloss. And that is my look today. I know this lipstick probably doesn't go with it the nicest, but I genuinely have like 5 minutes to get dressed, do my hair, and enter the Zoom call. So yeah, I'm not fixing it. But I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching today's video, and go subscribe.